What has happened? What are we fighting for? Now we can't go back and we can't move on. No point to pretend anymore. Better not judge, I'm not keeping score. All I did was wait for the shit you made. I never meant to start a war. It was only a matter of timing. I never needed you around in, but we keep running round and round. I've been down there looking for the silver lining, but no matter what we always fighting. So maybe you should just get lost, 'cause you're not safe with me around. You best bolt out for I detonate. You come too far out of bounds. You better plan for your getaway, 'cause you're not safe with me around. You best bolt out for I detonate. You come too far out of bounds. You better plan for your getaway, or I detonate on the up. I've been held down, but I can take control. There was no escape from the locked up gates, but I'm not in prison anymore. I've been strung out, starting to lose my soul. But you went too far and I won't back down. I'm heading for another door. It was only a matter of timing. I never needed you around in, but we keep running round and round. I've been down there looking for the silver lining, but no matter what we're always fighting. So maybe you should just get lost, 'cause you're not safe with me around. You best bolt out for I detonate. You come too far out of bounds. You better plan for your getaway, 'cause you're not safe with me around. You best bolt out for I detonate. You come too far out of bounds. You better plan for your getaway, or I detonate on the up. You blew up the love when the thrill was gone. You better get up before the sugar goes off, or I detonate on the up. You blew up the love when the thrill was gone. You better get up before the sugar goes off, or I detonate on the up. 'Cause you're not safe till you run away. You better pack your bag, 'cause you're not